So what are you doing now, Dean?
Right, I've got some blue glass on the end of the iron. I'm just shaping it so it's long. This is going to be the centre of the cane, so it's going to have a blue middle. Over this you're going to gather some white glass.
And what is the glass?
It's a glass we mix ourselves.
Why do you mix it yourselves?
So we can mix the quality and the colour we want. In this glass there's a special thing. It's got silver in there. You won't be able to hear me over the noise.
Yes, we will.
Yes, no you won't. It's got silver in there so we can turn it silver later on. So that's why we mix it ourselves. So that's that.
You turn it silver inside the cane.
Any bit that's exposed, so if you cut the cane through that way, you'll have a silver middle, won't you?
Oh, I see.
And then that exposed bit can be turned silver later on. So if it's on a piece, a little flower, you can have the middle bright silver.
Presumably you won't be telling me anything that's secret. Why the big smile? Mind you, having seen helium arias, you're up for a laugh, are you not?
Let's gather some white. Right, here we go, into the furnace. This will be interesting. When it comes out, it'll be clear. Just lift it up so that we can see the end, the blue, so we know where we are.
Oh,
You see it turning white as
magic.
it cools.
Magic.
And you'll see the end go white.
You're full of magic here.
We get it from this guy called Merlin.
Because their daughter Nikki Stockton's going to be installed as national president of the Ladies' Circle of Great Britain and Ireland.
So this is blue in the middle,
Yep, white around it.
white around it, silver blue in the middle.
Yeah. So we'll stick another gather of white on, because we need to get the proportions right. If you imagine this stretched out at the moment, the blue might be about the same thickness as the white, so we need the white thicker, so we're going to put another gather on there. We're just letting that cool down.
That's part of the process, is it not? Knowing when to gather on top of...
Yeah, so you can control the glass.
Well, you've got that down to fine art.
Well,
Pardon?
this is going well.
Yeah, well, why not? I mean, we netted some bits out. How close can we get? I'll get the door for you. There you go.
How's this to Richard now?
It's teamwork, is it not?
Just getting the surface hot again so that we can pick up the blue chip on the surface. We need to get a reasonably thick layer of this on, because when it stretches down as cane it will go a lot paler. So we have to put about 4 rolls of the glue on. You probably notice the glory hole unusually actually has a door on it, and you can hear as the door shuts the sound goes. It's because it drops onto low fire. Which means it's very cheap to run. We sort of developed the concept for this glory hole about 3 or 4 years ago, and built a very crude version just to see if it would work, and it works absolutely amazingly well. And then Merlin the magician worked some of his magic and sort of made the real deal, which we're now using.
And just in case people don't know, I'm the one doing the videoing. And if anybody wants one of the glory holes or any furnaces, it's me they talk to, not Richard or OkraGlass.
We're too busy making glass to be making furnaces and glory holes. We just like using them.
Well, you're too talented anyway.
Just getting the diameter right now so that it can go in the dip mould.
And what's the dip mould going to do?
It's going to split it basically into 5 lobes. It's that 5-bladed mould on the floor there.
I'm talking about accidental injuries, not getting angry with somebody and coming to the victim. But if there are accidental injuries,
Just got the 5 lobes down there now.
entirely accidentally, either
I'm just going to let that cool off a bit, and then we're going to cover it in clear.
Well, you've got to gather on top of that.
Yeah, to get some clear glass on the outside. And we have to do it in a special way. We have to gather back to about there, leaving the grooves open, so that as we marble it, pushes the air out.
So there's techniques in absolutely every aspect of what you do.
Absolutely. Yeah.
That's all, folks. Time to go home. Time for bed. Okay.